Hello, my friend. Welcome to today's lesson. This is not just about learning English. Today, we talk about something very important. We talk about you. We talk about your dreams, your goals, and your daily habits. Before we start, please listen carefully. Don't skip any part. Just listen with your heart. Here is something true. You are the only person who can change your life. Nobody else will do it for you. Nobody will wake up early for you. Nobody will study for you. Nobody will exercise for you. This sounds hard, but it is also good news. Why? Because you have the power. You can choose to be different. You can choose to grow. Today, I will share 13 simple ways to stop being lazy. These ideas are easy to understand. They work for everyone. And while you listen, you will also practice your English. You will learn new words. You will understand feelings and emotions in English. So please, stay with me. Don't stop listening. This could be the most helpful lesson you hear this month. Let's begin. 1. Too much information makes you tired. In our world today, we see information everywhere. You open your phone, there are hundreds of videos. You want to learn something new, so you watch 10 videos about it. But then what happens? You don't start. You just watch more videos. Why does this happen? Your brain gets confused. It gets tired from thinking about doing things. But you never actually do the things. Let me give you an example. You want to get healthy. You search how to lose weight. One video says run every day. Another says lift weights. Another says try yoga. Now your brain is full of different ideas, but your body hasn't moved for even 1 minute. The solution is simple. Choose one thing. Start with that. Don't try to be perfect. Don't watch 10 videos first. Just start. Remember, doing one small thing is better than knowing 100 ideas and doing nothing. 2. Take care of your body. You are not lazy. Your body is just tired. Sometimes the problem is not in your mind. The problem is in your body. Let me ask you, what did you eat this morning? Do you drink enough water? Do you eat real food or just fast food and snacks? When you eat unhealthy food all the time, your body has no energy. Your brain becomes slow. You feel sleepy all day. Start with small changes. Drink 2 glasses of water when you wake up. Eat fruit or eggs for breakfast, not just coffee. Add vegetables to your meals. Don't skip meals. Eat at regular times. Your food is like fuel for your car. A strong body helps you have a strong mind. A strong mind means less laziness. 3. Start small, win big. Many people feel lazy because they think about big tasks only. They think, I must study for 5 hours, or I must clean my whole house, or I must exercise for 2 hours. What happens? Your brain says, this is too much. I cannot do it. So you do nothing. But what if you start small? Tell your brain, I will study for 10 minutes. I will clean just 1 table. I will walk for 5 minutes. Now your brain says, yes, I can do that. When you start, you build energy. Small wins give you confidence. Think about brushing your teeth. You don't think, oh no, I must brush for 10 minutes. You just do it. Make small tasks your habit. They grow into big success over time. 4. Build a routine you can keep. Another big mistake is trying to make a perfect routine. You write on paper, wake up at 5 a.m., exercise for 2 hours, study for 4 hours, eat perfectly, sleep early. This sounds nice, but it's not real. Why? Because one day you will fail. Then you will feel bad and give up. What you need is a routine you can keep, one that fits your real life, one you can follow even when you're tired or busy. For example, wake up at 7 a.m., not 5 a.m., but still early. Exercise for 15 minutes, not 2 hours. Eat one healthy meal each day. Sleep before 11 p.m. This is something you can do every day for weeks, months, and years. Success is not about being perfect for 2 days. Success is about doing simple things every day for 2 years. 5. Choose what you want, not what you feel. This tip can change your life if you really understand it. Most people do what they feel like doing. They don't do what they want for their future. You feel like sleeping more, so you don't exercise. You feel like watching videos, so you don't study. You feel lazy, so you don't clean your room. But what do you want? You want to be healthy. You want to speak good English. You want a better future. There is a big difference between what you feel right now and what you want from life. Lazy people always choose their feelings. They choose comfort. They choose comfort instead of success. But successful people do the opposite. They don't ask, "How do I feel?" They ask, "What do I want?" Then they act, even when they feel tired. 6. Keep your space clean. Laziness is not only in your mind, it's also in your environment. Look around your room right now. Is your bed messy? Are your clothes on the floor? Is your desk full of trash? That space shows your mind. A messy space equals a messy mind. A messy mind equals a lazy person. Think about this. When you go into a clean hotel room, how do you feel? Fresh and relaxed. You want to sit down and work. Now think about a dirty room. You feel tired just looking at it. Your space controls your energy. Cleaning your space shows you care about yourself. Action steps. Make your bed every morning. Clean your desk before sleeping. Put dirty clothes in one place. Open your windows for fresh air. This takes 5–10 minutes but gives you energy for the whole day. 7. Let go of past pain. Many people are not lazy because they don't care. They are lazy because they still hurt inside. They carry heavy feelings from the past. Maybe someone hurt you. Maybe your family didn't support you. Maybe a teacher said something mean. Yes, it hurts, but you cannot live there forever. That pain becomes heavy. That heaviness becomes laziness. Your brain thinks about the past instead of the future. You are not lazy. You are hurt, but you are not your past. You can start fresh today. Healing starts with forgiving yourself, accepting what happened, focusing on the next step, not the last one. Talk to someone you trust. Write your feelings in a journal. Cry if you need to. But after that, stand up and move forward. 8. You can change right now. One of the biggest lies is change takes years. No, change begins in a moment, in a decision. You don't need to wait for Monday or January 1st. You don't need new clothes or equipment. You need one strong decision right now. I know a girl named Maria. She was lazy for years. She slept all day and watched TV. One night, she looked in the mirror and said, "Enough! I'm done living like this." From the next morning, she made small changes. She woke up early. She cleaned her room. She read 2 pages of a book. She walked for 10 minutes. Day by day, she became stronger. But it all started with one moment. You have that moment too. This video, this second, can be your turning point. Don't say, "I'll try." Say, "I'm changing now." Say it out loud. I am not lazy. I am growing. 9. Fix your sleep. This is one of the most ignored problems. You say I'm lazy, but maybe you just need better sleep. Your body and brain need rest, but not just any rest, deep, regular sleep. Let's say you sleep at 2 a.m. and wake up at 10 a.m. You feel heavy and tired all day. You stay in bed with your phone. You miss breakfast. You feel lazy. Now imagine this. You sleep at 10:30 p.m. and wake up at 6:30 a.m. You drink water first. You get some sunlight. You stretch for 2 minutes. You feel light and ready. Sleep tips. No phone 1 hour before bed. Don't eat heavy food at night. Make your room dark after 9 p.m. Sleep and wake up at the same time every day. Yes, even on weekends. Good sleep equals good energy equals less laziness. 10. Remember why you started. Laziness is not always about energy. It's often about losing your purpose. You wake up, but don't feel excited. You know you should work, but you look at your phone instead. You have goals, but you can't feel them anymore. Why? Because you forgot your why. Let me tell you about Anna. She grew up poor. Her mother worked 2 jobs to pay rent. Her mom always said, "One day you will have a better life." That promise gave Anna energy. She studied hard. She got into a good university. But after 1 year, she lost hope. The classes were hard. She had no friends. She stopped going to class. Then one day, she got a message from her mom. "I sent extra money this month. Please buy something warm." Anna started crying. She remembered she wasn't just studying for a degree. She was there to change her family's life, to prove she could do it. She opened her laptop. She started again. When you remember your why, your energy comes back. Here's what you must do. Take a notebook. Write, "Why do I want this life?" Be honest and emotional. Put it on your wall. Read it every morning. When you feel lazy, look at your reason. Purpose doesn't let you rest. It reminds you that your future is bigger than your feelings. 11. Move your body first. Here's a secret most people don't know. Your body controls your brain, not the other way around. If you stay in bed in a dark room, your brain thinks you're sick. Your thoughts become cloudy. Your motivation disappears. But if you move your body first, everything changes. Imagine a man who lost his job. He used to wake up early and exercise. Now he wakes up at 11 a.m. and stares at the ceiling. He knows what he should do, but his body says no. One morning, he puts on shoes and goes outside. It's cold. He walks slowly for just 10 minutes. No phone, no music, just breathing. Something strange happens. His shoulders feel lighter. His thoughts are clearer. He feels alive again. That night, he sleeps earlier. The next day, he walks longer. In 2 weeks, he's planning and dreaming again. Not because someone gave him motivation, but because he moved first. Don't wait to feel motivated. Just move. Stretch for 5 minutes. Dance in your room. Walk outside for 10 minutes. Open your windows. Movement creates emotion. Laziness cannot live in a body that moves. 12. Don't talk about your problems too much. Many people are not lazy, they are hurt, but instead of healing, they talk about their pain to everyone. Why? Because pain gets attention. Pain becomes comfortable. But here's the dangerous part. The more you talk about your pain, the deeper it gets. I know a woman whose boyfriend left her after 5 years. She was heartbroken. She started telling everyone her story, friends, family, strangers online. Everyone said, "Oh no, you're so strong. He was terrible." She felt heard for a moment. But weeks passed, months, years. She still told the same story. That pain became her personality. But he moved on, got married, had children. She was still living in the past. What can you do? Talk to a counselor, not everyone. Write in a journal. Heal privately. Stop saying, "This happened to me." Start saying, "This made me stronger." You are not your heartbreak. You are not your childhood pain. You are what you choose to become after it. 13. Stop watching other people's lives. Let's be honest. Social media has become a trap. You scroll and look at people with perfect bodies, friends getting married, someone traveling to beautiful places, someone buying a new car, someone's success story. What do? You just keep watching other people live their lives. You start feeling like you're not enough. You feel behind. You feel like a failure. But remember, they only show their best moments. You're comparing your real life to someone's highlight reel. You spend hours watching others build their dreams. Then you complain that your dreams aren't coming true. Here's what happens. You start delaying your goals because you think others are already doing it better. But you have to wake up. What if you stopped watching others for 1 week? What if you put all that energy into your own growth? Stop watching success like it's a movie. Create your own success story. Be so busy improving yourself that you don't have time to compare. Your new beginning starts now. Now, I want you to stop for a moment. Close your eyes and ask yourself one honest question. How much longer will you wait to live your real life? Listen to me carefully. You are not lazy because you are weak. You are lazy because you're scared, tired, or confused. And that's okay. You are human. But you have something powerful inside you. You just forgot about it. You have the power to change your life. You have the power to try again. You have the power to do better, one small step at a time. Not by becoming perfect, not by being like someone else, but by becoming you, the real you. The version of you that tries even when it's hard. The version of you that keeps going when nobody notices. The version of you that says, "I won't waste my life anymore." Don't let laziness steal your future. Get up. Start small. Start today. Because one day you will look back at this moment and say, "That's the day I changed my life." And I will be proud of you. But most importantly, you will be proud of yourself. Practice your English, change your life. Thank you for listening to this lesson. If you want to improve your English and your life at the same time, please subscribe to our channel. This is not just about learning English. This is about growing as a person. We learn English by learning about life. Here's what I want you to do. 1. Practice speaking. Choose one tip from today's lesson. Record yourself talking about it for 2 minutes in English. 2. Write in the comments, tell us which tip helped you most. Use simple English. Don't worry about making mistakes. 3. Take action. Pick one small thing from this lesson and do it today. Not tomorrow, today. Remember, every small step counts. Every word you learn matters. Every day you practice, you get stronger. Your English journey and your life journey go together. Keep learning. Keep growing. Keep believing in yourself. I believe in you. You can do this. See you in the next lesson, my friend. Now go begin again.